I've done poetry, I've done cookbooks, I've done, but I would say from a formatting perspective for those, ultimately, if you're working with a client, if it's a client's book, refer to to what they want you to do. But what I would suggest and what we do at Academy Voices is we split the files per poem for poetry. Because if you think about it from the listener's perspective, and this is what I always, as you guys know, I always put myself in the end user's perspective. For them, if they find one they like, they can easily go back and find it. That was file three. I can go back to file three and listen to it again instead of trying to hunt through, an entire file to find something they like. So
Mm,
split them up by poem. If the author says, you do what you do, that's what I would do. For
mm-hmm,
cookbooks, it's a little bit different. It's going to depend on how the cookbook is formatted. If it's all about desserts, for example, and each different page is a new dessert, I would make each file a different dessert. But if it's a large book and it's got entrees and appetizers, I might separate it by entrees, appetizers. But again, ask the author how they want it done because they may want every recipe a separate file, which would make
mm-hmm.
sense. Just like the poetry, if they're looking for a specific recipe, they can go right to that file to find it.